In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an anchor link in a Canva website. If you've used traditional website builders, you might be familiar with anchor links, those little handler section links that jump you straight to a specific part of a page. Here's the key thing to know up front. Canva doesn't currently support true manual anchor links inside its website editor. There's no way to assign a custom anchor ID to a block, and typing something like #services into the link field won't create an in-page jump. The link options are limited to external URLs or linking to entire pages within your project. That's been confirmed widely by users who've tested all the usual tricks. Now, the good news is there's a practical workaround that gives you similar behavior. Canva treats each page in your website design as a section, and when you enable the built-in navigation, it can scroll to those sections for you. Think of it as Canva generating anchors based on your page titles. Here's how to make the most of that. Organize your content into logical pages, with each page representing a section you'd want to jump to, like Home, About, Services, or Contact. Keep those page titles short and clear, because the title is what becomes the label in your menu. Order your pages the way you want visitors to move through your site. Next, go to Preview and turn on Include Navigation menu. Canva will automatically create a navigation bar and wire each menu item to the matching page. When your site is published as a scrolling website, clicking a menu item smoothly moves the viewer to that page's section, effectively mimicking an anchor jump. This is the closest supported method to in-page anchors available today. A few tips will make this feel polished. Keep page titles consistent so your menu looks clean. If a title is too long and wraps awkwardly, shorten it. Test the preview by clicking through the menu to confirm it scrolls as expected. Check it on mobile too, since the menu may collapse and the scroll distance can feel different on smaller screens. If a section feels too long, split it into 2 pages so the scroll lands closer to the content people want. To recap, Canva doesn't let you add custom hat-out anchors or assign IDs to elements, and you can't create in-page jumps from buttons with a hashtag link. What you can do is rely on page titles and the built-in navigation menu, which scrolls to each page's section and delivers a user experience close to anchor links. Keep an eye on Canva updates, but for now, this is the reliable, supported path.